Alright y'all, it's Albert Lebel once again. This time around we're going to try this beautiful Chubb lock. This one was sent in for the Locks Without Borders collection by the one and only Irish Lockpicker. So thank you so much for sending it in again. I don't know if it's got a certain make or model. It doesn't have any other markings except for the obvious, the Chubb, which it also has on the keys, other than probably a key code, which is 10597. Which I'm guessing is the same on both keys. Yes, it is. Nasty key. Very nice. I have not tried picking it yet. I've been wanting to, but I figured I'd wait till we get it on camera so we get a nice... we got a Phillips screw holding the bottom plate in, so that shouldn't be too hard to deal with. So let's see what it takes to pick into it. What I'm going to do is pick it in hand, but I will, again, use... excuse me, the vise to kind of hold my hand steady because I tend to move around a lot. So let's try and get a good view. There we go. So let's see. We'll probably use top of keyway. Yes. And there's a little spring tension on the core, so we have to overcome that and get it just right, kind of balance it so you're not putting too much tension on the pins. And my favorite pick in the world, the Peterson gem, ought to fit beautifully in this thing. So let me just kind of prop my hand here. There we go. Alright, so we'll just start in the front. One's loose. 2. Little click. 3. 4. 5. And nothing on 6. Back to the front. Now 1 is binding. Okay, so a little bit of a false set right there off of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counter rotation. Alright, we set it. 6. Counter rotation on 6. Got to bring it back. Feels like it's set. Back to the front. 1, 2, 3. Counter rotation. There we go. Oh, I thought it opened. 4. Counter rotation on 4. Ooh, got to bring it way back. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Gotta love that pop, right? So let me get the camera backed out. Nice. All right, so let's check this puppy out. Get us a pinning tray. Yeah, I like this sucker. It reminds me of, I don't know if I showed you this, it reminds me of the Mako quite a bit. A little bit bigger, obviously, in every way, but pretty similar. Has that kind of odd finish to it. Alright, so Phillips screw. We can handle that. Alright. Easy breezy. Nice. And it does not need an anti-bypass wafer because the lobe is going against the keyway. In other words, it does not need one of these because you can't bypass it anyways. So let's see, it's still in the open position. Let's see if we can get that clip off of there while it's still open. Maybe save us a minute or two. Yeah, that's not going to cooperate too good. Let's see if we can yank it. There we go. Oof. All right. We're still in the open position. I will definitely use a shim just for the heck of it. And a little follower. That ought to do her. Let's see what we got. Pins are going to be over here. Nice. It is pinned to all 6. That's always a good sign. So what I'll probably do is while I get these laid out, we'll use a little bit of that fast forward I see others use. So hang tight. Alright, so we're back. Let's get a close-up on these pins. Very, very nice. I can see some spools. Get my little table up here. Very nice. So, I don't think these are steel. They're probably just a different color. But what we have is a serrated pin for a key pin in number 2. 1 and 2, actually. The rest are standard. And then we've got spools in 2 through 6. So really nice. That was definitely a fun pick. Again, the Irish Lockpicker. Thank you so much for sending that beautiful Chubb in for Locks Without Borders. I appreciate it very much. Well, we all do. You probably noticed also in the background, back here, I did get another stack of Paclocks. So, the Paclock a week, I will finish out the entire year, which is about the 2nd week of next month. So stick around and see who gets this week's Paclock, and we'll see how it goes after the year's up. Probably do something different. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. And if you like this video, hit that like button for me. All right? Thank you very much.